A quiet, snowy morning, and in front of me stands the Ferrari F8 Tributo, bold, sharp, and breathtaking in red. As I walk toward it, you can see how every curve and every line reflects Ferrari's precision. Even in the cold, this car looks powerful. Opening the door reveals a driver-focused interior, premium leather seats, carbon fiber trims, and that iconic steering wheel that reminds you this is built for performance. Listen to the engine, a twin-turbo V8 that wakes up with a deep, clean roar, even in freezing temperatures. As we start driving through the snow, notice the balance and control. The F8 holds the road with confidence, every movement smooth and responsive. From the front, the LED headlights slice through the mist. From the back, the signature taillights glow against the white landscape, a perfect contrast of red on snow. The wheels cut through the ice effortlessly, sending light snowflakes into the air, every rotation a reminder of the power beneath the hood. And here, out in the open plain, the F8 Tributo stands like a piece of art, elegant, aggressive, and timeless. This is more than a car. It is a statement of speed, design, and pure engineering excellence.